The next reason to replace that system is if you have acid burnout. This one's a little bit more technical, but when the freon or the refrigerant gets compromised, it turns into acid, and that acid will go in and eat all of the components in the system, which pretty much makes the system destroyed, right? So it's almost like back in the day, people would put sugar in someone's gas tank on a car, and that would destroy the fuel system. Well, that acid goes in and destroys everything. You can do small repairs here and there, but the acid has pretty much compromised the system. The next reason to replace, and the last reason that I'll give, is efficiency issues. When a unit is too small for the home or the building, sometimes previous contractors or builders will put in a unit that's too small. Even if it's working properly, it doesn't cool well when the temperatures are extreme. When it's really hot outside or it's extremely cold outside, you start to feel uncomfortable. And if that unit is too small, that is impossible to fix.